Petrol going up tonight, guys. Check the garage. Busy, 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 busy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's the first day, or at least tonight is the night when petrol is going up 1 rand 70 something cents, almost 2 rands. Okay, so this video is just pretty much about SSDiagnostics. Friend of ours, Saeed, he sells some products, sells a whole lot of odds and ends. I'm gonna put his number down here and you can check his catalog on WhatsApp. A whole lot of stuff. He gave me his ceramic wax, detailing wax, and he gave me his iron decon. Two mad stuff. The iron decon stuff is the best I've ever tested, and I've had turtle wax, I've had a few, I've had Shield, I've had Maguire's, and for me, so far it's the best cleaner that I've had. It doesn't need 2 trips, it's just one solid one and it'll clean it for you good. So you'll see me using it on my wife's car, you'll see me using it on my car. Also got this mad brush from Saeed. This is like perfect for cleaning the rims, but it's so nice and soft. It's so nice and soft. And I'm using it to clean the inside. I mean, it gets nice in all the grooves here. Yeah, nice man. And for the earrings. For the earrings, oh lovely. Over here, at the back. Yes, I know my car's very dirty, but it's perfect for the interior. Perfect for interior, man. Sure, I'm looking for one of these. My wheels aren't that dirty. It's all messed up, they need to be redone, but it's not that dirty. What I want to see is if I can get this away. Oh, this black putting and that caliper is so foul. So, I'm going to spritz some on there. So I'm going to spritz some of this metal wheel decontaminant. Spray that all over. Get that in the wheel nuts. I haven't got too much, but already you can see it's doing its thing. Cool part is it also cleans the wheels, the tires and the exhaust. This is now a part that really needs it. A little bit more back to the car. So find that the car is very dirty. Now what I'm going to do is use the brush and just work it in. Oh my golly gosh. Oh yes, tires also. Oh, lovely. Yeah, see, it gets that putting. To me, that's important. Caliper also nice and clean. What? Lovely. That stuff really gets my approval for sure. Oh boy, look how it went on at the back here. Shoo-wee. All this is all the metal on the back. So yeah, that's about it. The detailing wax is literally just a nice, I think you do it after you've washed your car, just a nice spray and wipe away. The cool part is it doesn't need to be buffed away as much as the turtle wax ceramic coat, but it's not as hydrophobic. It is, but it's not as hydrophobic as the turtle wax, but price difference. I mean, the turtle wax I think is 300 and some, and Saeed stuff is I think 120 rand, 150 rand. Don't quote me on it, go check the prices, guys. And if you haven't yet, like, subscribe. This is just a product review and a little bit of exposure for Saeed's business. Please go and support the guy. Local is lekker, support local and all that. He is the 2ZZ Nation, the YouTube channel, and he has a 2ZZ Runix RSI also. Okay, look at that hard red robot. There you go. Look at that shit. Yes, yes. And then we can't stress, no? We can't stress. So no one here. So no one here. I'm gonna put the petrol here. There's no one here. I'm gonna put in some petrol here. What's happening, my bro? No petrol. What's happening, my bro? You have no petrol.
No petrol, only diesel, yeah.
Only diesel.
Only diesel. Yes,
okay, sorry. No petrol, only diesel. I was thinking that was way too sus. Man, that garage is so empty. So I bet a lot of you guys are just like petrol station hunting at the moment, eh? You gotta be like out there just chasing down petrol stations. Let's take a drive to the Weinberg Caltex. I got time. So yeah, follow along on my, and I'm like above half tank, so I don't need petrol. It's just I need a little bit of petrol. That'd be nice. Drive out in front of me and drive super slow. What's wrong with people? Okay, let's see. Right, okay, it's not standing still. There's no one in front of this person. Yeah, guys, this is the mission. Everybody trying to fill. I'm above half tank, but everybody trying to fill up here. I don't know what's happening. This lady sitting with a card machine. But yeah, guys, let me know how it went with you. How's it going down there? Is everybody filling up? What's happening? I don't know. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next video. That's literally is just a spur of the moment one, because I figured I have time. Why not try? Why not try? Now I'm gonna drive like a old man on a Sunday morning to church, boy. Take it easy. Shoo-wee. Goodness. Shop it good.